नहीं, this is not.
नहीं.
Dolly is such a great host.
Arjun is actually my senior, but he doesn't behave like one.
She's a great friend.
Long time coming.
Love you, Srishti. Bye.
Never would have imagined.
Dalwadi Jodi is the best. Hi everyone. So today I am going to ask few questions from the family members of Srishti and Arjun, and let's see what is the perspective of them about our beautiful couple Srishti and Arjun. So right now I am going to meet Meenal, Dhruva and Yuvika. Let's see what are their answers. Come. Hello guys, how are you? Hi Meenal, Yuvika and Dhruva. Hi. Where you just need to describe the relationship of Srishti and Arjun in single word. What would you like to say?
I think it is meant to be.
Meant to be. And you?
Beautiful. It's very beautiful. I really love them. Like, they're very nice together.
Okay. And you?
It's a story of two states. It was always meant to be.
Yes, correct. Okay. So now you guys need to tell me the story which is very close to your heart.
I have really good memories with her when I visited to Dubai. We went camping together. She was singing and playing guitar with us, so in the middle of the desert. So it was very nice.
Lovely, lovely. And you?
I have two memories. First, because when I was growing up, I was in Dubai and Srishti was also in Dubai. So as kids. And second, when I was studying in Singapore, it was... I had a great time with her in Singapore. So whenever I would get some time off from university, I would go and hang out with her. So it was really nice.
Lovely, lovely, wonderful. And what about you?
Dolly is such a great host that when we were in Dubai, she was our designated driver for the whole day, made us eat the best food ever, and also made us do all the shopping, dropped us to the airport, made everything possible. And I think she's a lovely human being person.
You people will keep hang out, like doing things and stuff together after the marriage as well. Are you planning to do it?
Of course. It will be double the fun
Lovely,
because
lovely.
Arjun being there.
Well, now I'm going to take the bite from Rishi. Let's see. Woohoo. Hey, hi Rishi, how are you?
Hi.
Okay. What do you think about the relationship of Srishti and Arjun? In single word, you have to answer it.
Single word.
Yeah.
Finally.
Finally, okay. Finally, together forever.
Yeah.
Okay, now next question. It is related to the memory, which is very close to your heart with the with Srishti.
It's quite simple actually. It's nothing too complicated. One time I was feeling really down during my high school days with her, and when I was feeling really down, she knows that my favorite chocolate is Kit Kat Chunky.
Oh.
So she would come over to where I am and say that, hey, I'm down here, come down. So she just gave me a Kit Kat Chunky and then walked away. Or spent some time with me and then walked away.
You mean to say she is such a lovely friend?
Lovely is putting it really mildly. She's one of the best ever friends I've ever had in my life.
Wonderful friend, I can say.
Absolutely. Wonderful. Yeah.
I'm going to ask you the questions from Ankit and Utkarsh. Alright, I hope I'm not disturbing you guys. So, hi Ankit.
Hi.
I hope you're doing good.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, alright. You just need to answer two of the questions. First question is, what do you think about the relationship of Srishti and Arjun?
So I saw Arjun for the first time, I think today morning, and he seems to be a nice fellow. I think he will be taking up all the Dhruva's dark humor in a dolly.
This is going. ये completely raw जाने वाला है.
कल से ध्रुवा और डॉली के बीच में break कर दूंगा.
Okay. Just see.
नहीं.
हाँ. अरे how will she laugh if she will not
नहीं
see?
या so I think वो डॉली का अच्छे से डार्क ह्यूमर पूरा अच्छे से लेगा, sportingly लेगा, and I don't think there'll be any issues. If there are issues, I hope she will bend down because girls do bend.
It reminds me of the movie Two States. Her life story is like that. So I would say Two States. Yeah.
So Srishti and Arjun, your love story is on the screen already. Wow.
But I have something else to say as well.
What?
I have been calling you Dolly for I don't know how many years. For there is a reason. एक बार डोली सजा के रखना गाना गाएंगे. डोली सजा के रखना, मेहंदी लगा के रखना, लेने तुझे गोरी आएंगे तेरे
सजना. Arjun, that is Sajna. Okay, all right. Okay, now next question.
So now I'll call you Dolly in my books. Now you are Dolly.
Woohoo! Lovely.
Yeah.
Okay, now next question is, your favorite memory with Srishti?
Oh, any day. So I think someone's wedding. I think it was Chinky's wedding. So that time हम लोग ने बहुत पी लिया था. समझ रहे हो? इसमें it sounds better. So she puked in her room, and then her brother Rachit was mopping the floor. So that is a very nice memory in my.
Woohoo! Okay, now your turn.
So Shrishti and I share the same birthday. So I think that is why we are like, you know, we always say 18 March are the funniest people. And and also I feel her Instagram stories are the funniest. So whenever she comes to Rajasthan, she'll click pictures of the worst things of a cow dung, of a random pigeon, you know.
It is making out.
Yeah. And anything you could imagine. So I think she has a great sense of humor and dark humor, and we all love her.
Okay, all right. Srishti and Arjun,
We love you.
We love you.
Love you.
Okay, guys, let's say it together. East or West? Let's see. Hey, hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I am great. So, may I know your name, please?
My name is Utkarsh.
Okay, Utkarsh. So, right now, I am just going to ask 2 questions from you. What do you think about the relation of Srishti and Arjun?
I believe it's a beautiful love story.
Beautiful one.
Yeah.
Your funniest story with Srishti?
So Shrishti is definitely the funniest person in our group, and you know, I remember, so whenever she used to travel to India and Rajasthan, so she used to post the most random stuff in India, you know, like a normal dog walking on a street. So her Instagram stories are the funniest.
Well, now I am going to take the bites from Kinnari, and one more person is there. Let's see who is that. Hi guys, how are you all doing? Okay, tell me, what do you think about the relationship of Srishti and Arjun in single word?
Can I use a couple of words?
Yeah, you can.
Meant to be.
Meant to be. Oh my god, they said the same.
Yeah. I think they were like, I agree with meant to be actually, totally. But I also think like this is true friendship coming into marriage.
Wow, lovely. Now, next question from you both. One favorite memory with Srishti?
When she showed up at my house, when I was missing her a lot, it was a surprise.
Okay.
And she made me cry like a baby. And I love her for that.
She's such a sweetheart.
Yeah, she's a great friend.
Okay, alright. And now yours?
We've had many bus stop conversations. So just sitting at the bus stop in Singapore, outside my house, outside the MRT, and having these long drawn conversations, missing multiple buses on purpose.
Woohoo!
Just to sit with each other and have a chat. So I think those are one of my favorite memories. With
That simply means you guys love spending time with each other.
we do. And with
Okay.
Arjun as well, we've spent so much time with his family and him and all of us together that I remember Arjun just coming to my house, lounging on the couch
Woohoo.
for almost the whole day.
Oh wow!
And me and my husband entertaining him.
Lovely.
So lots of wonderful memories with the both of them. Guitars, ukuleles, singing, dancing, all that good stuff.
Lovely, lovely. Okay, now I'm going to take the bite from Kavita and Marshall. Let's see what are their perspective. Hi Kavita and Marshall, how you guys are doing? Good. What do you think about the relationship of Srishti and Arjun in single word?
Destiny.
Destiny.
They were destined for sure.
Lovely. Okay, and what would you like to say on
I
it?
would say meant to be.
Meant to be. Lovely. Okay, now next question. The memory which is close to your heart with Srishti.
I definitely can't think of one specific memory, but for a major part of my school days, she used to do this thing where she'd turn up at my house at like 8 in the morning. My parents know her very well, so she'd come in and she'd be the one to wake me up. And this happened many times. She'll come into the room, she'll like kick me or she'll throw something at me. And this has happened so many times. And every time I think about her, it's one of those fond memories that come up. But there's way too many, honestly.
This is so lovely. Lovely. All right. Okay. I had a lovely conversation with Srishti's friends, and now it's time to have a lovely conversation with Arjun friends. So let's see what are their answers, what are their perspectives. So here we go, and starting from here. Tell me.
Match made in heaven.
Match made
In
in heaven.
heaven. Yeah.
Okay, now
Long time coming.
long time coming. And you?
Meant to be.
Meant to be. And you?
Overdue.
Overdue. And here we go.
Magical.
Magical.
Never would have imagined.
Never would have imagined. Okay, now back to you. Our favorite memory or the memory which is really close to your heart with Arjun.
Our time in national service. National service? Yeah, our time in national service was one of our closest memories. Yeah.
And do you want to
Explain a bit.
yeah.
We spent quite a few months together, and it was a pleasant surprise for me because I was totally lost on what I'm going to be doing in national service. And when I entered the room and I saw Arjun and a few other my buddies there, it made it much easier for me to go through the 2 years of
Okay.
national service. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
And what do you want to say?
I have a lot of memories with him, but I'm going to be revealing them a little later during the speech. So watch out for the speech. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
yeah.
He's going to speak on the stage.
No giveaways. Yeah.
Okay, now it's your turn.
So just like him, I am also going to give a speech on Arjun.
Okay.
But I think one of the fondest memories I have with him is school days.
School days.
I've spent a lot of time with him, and I've seen him grow from a kid all the way to the adult that he is. I'm just really happy to be here today.
Oh, lovely. And what would you like to say?
Yeah, Junjun was our neighbor. So he lived in the corner right next to ours, which meant that everywhere we went within Farrer Park area, he would be there. If I go down to get coffee in the morning, he's at the coffee shop. If I went to Fair Price in the afternoon for a quick grocery run, he's there too. If I came home, he's somehow in my house also. This guy was stalking us like he was like stalking us like aggressively. So it's good to finally have him like stalk someone else, you know.
Lovely. This is so amazing. Okay, now your turn.
Okay, Arjun is actually my senior, but he doesn't behave like one.
Okay.
So I can definitely count on him whenever I want to grab a quick drink. He lives near my house now, so I will always call him, and he's always up for it. So he's really a good friend, and I'm happy for him.
Okay, my brother, what to say? Okay, with every sibling, there's always sibling rivalry, right?
Yeah.
So that was, when you're growing up and all that. So, after we grew up, like things changed, and, he's getting married, and and actually his friends right now, I actually hang out with them more than my own brother. Yeah. And I didn't know about Srishti until probably 2 or 3 years ago. Yeah, and that they were dating, so he's very secretive about it.
Okay.
And that's how much love he had for myself and the family, because he didn't want to hurt us, at the time.
Now,
Yeah.
are you loving it?
Of course.
Okay.
Because he went through a lot of tribes and tribulations, and finally he made it, and we are so happy to have her over to our family. So, yeah.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, all. East or West?
India and
Where is the